Hi everyone! A funny story. So, I decided to make videos on cooking and of course we ran out of gas. In Asian countries you can buy a cylinder with gas and attach it to your stove. And of course you can refill it, but my boyfriend and I haven't had time to do it because we've been working non-stop for the past couple of days. But luckily we have a backup, a hot plate, sort of a small electric stove. And also, because we've been working so much, we haven't had a chance to go grocery shopping and we don't have much food left in the house. So today I'm going to make only one dish. Usually I make 3 or 4, so I don't have to worry about cooking for a while, and also because I get really bored if I only have one thing to eat. Alright, let's see what we have here. Some spring onion, a carrot, a potato, some garlic, ginger, pumpkin, coconut milk and red lentils. Today I'm going to make Dhal, lentil soup. There are so many ways to make it. You can actually just cook lentils in water until they sort of turn into a creamy soup. You can also add potatoes, carrot, maybe cauliflower, and cook it all together without frying anything first, which is much healthier than what I am about to make now. You can add different vegetables or not at all, it's up to you. Every time I make dal, I make it differently. So first we need to rinse the lentils until the water that comes out becomes clear. Otherwise they will taste bitter. You don't need to soak them like beans, just put them under running water. Let's prep the veg. We wash, peel, and chop everything we want to add to our dal. Add some spices, fry it in some oil. I use coconut oil, it has my name on it, and I think it's a bit healthier than sunflower oil. Because people here in Sri Lanka eat a lot of dal and curry, I can buy different mixes here, like Indian curry powder and dal potato curry mix. But if you don't have them in your shops, you can add coriander, turmeric powder, chili powder, thyme, anything you like basically. I don't know about you, but I never follow strict instructions about spices, and I always add them by eye, like according to the smell and taste and just how I feel. My boyfriend always asks me which and how much spice I put in things, but honestly I have no idea. So we fried our veg for a few minutes, now it's time to add the lentils. Stir everything together, mix it. Add a little bit of water. And a tin of coconut milk. Let's add some bay leaf and maybe a teaspoon of salt. But again, you have to taste it and see how much you need. Let's close it with a lid. You can use water, or only coconut milk. I usually mix them together because 1 tin of coconut milk is normally not enough. After the soup has started boiling, you can lower the heat and let it cook for about 20-30 minutes until the lentils start dissolving, becoming sort of a cream. It's boiling. Like with any other soup, after it's ready, it's a good idea to let it sit for a while. Dal goes well with rice or any kind of bread, or both if you're really hungry. And our dal is ready. Bon appetit! I hope you guys learned something new today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.